Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your Windows computer is not detecting a third monitor. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First thing I recommend doing would be to power cycle the monitor on and off, or just unplug it and wait for 30 seconds before reconnecting it. Also ensure that the HDMI DisplayPort or a USB-C cable is firmly plugged into both the monitor and the PC. If not, you may want to try unplugging them or plugging them into a different port altogether. And try a different monitor and see if it's an issue with the cable itself. That's always a possibility. If all of that has failed, something else we can try would be to right-click on the desktop and select where it says Display Settings. And then going underneath Scale and Layout where it says Multiple Displays, click the drop down for that, and then select the Detect button where it says Detect Other Displays, and then see if that resolves the problem. And hopefully that should be about it. If there's any installation media from the manufacturer of the monitor from their website, you may want to go check it out. Or if any installation media in the form of a CD or USB flash drive came with the monitor itself in the packaging, I would recommend installing it, and that should hopefully be about it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.